Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset the Zanussi dishwasher. So on a control panel like this, to reset the appliance, press and hold on and off button on the appliance for 3 seconds. This will reset the appliance and clear any previously set programs. On a control panel like this, you're gonna find the button reset. So this is another way how you can do it. This will reset the appliance and clear any previously set programs. And then you're gonna have the echo and other you can have possibly also the reset. Or it's going to only look like this, where you have to like have it like this, and then it's going to also work. So that's something you can do to press the reset. If the reset doesn't work out to fix the issue that you have, then what you can do, completely unplug it for like 5 to 10 minutes and like turn off the circuit breaker and then just plug it back in, and it should possibly work. So just want to make this quick video for you. Hope it helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.